Next up, moving into phones. In order to be able to add a phone, it's a very, very simple process. All we're going to do is hit the add phone button.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And from here, we're going to make sure that our Bluetooth is turned on on our phone. And it takes a second, but now we can see we've got Ford Mustang showing up.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Perfect. So the pin number is matched. So we're going to say yes and yes.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And there we go. So guys, it's literally that simple to be able to connect a phone to this thing. From here, we've got 911 Assist. I will point out that 911 Assist does only work when your phone's connected to the vehicle. We can turn that one on right now and then hit finish here. So as you can see, we've got my recent calls, contacts, phone, text messages. We've got everything on the phone itself, which is really, really cool. In order to be able to remove a phone from the vehicle now, what we're going to do is jump into the settings menu. We can go to phones here, and we can view devices, manage contacts, etc. So if we go to view devices, we've got my phone that's currently connected here. A little bit of a tongue twister. From here, we can either disconnect from the phone or we can completely remove it from here. So let's remove now, and let's say yes, we're going to remove the phone. And jumping back into the phone now, as you can see, it's gone.